My name is Joseph Noel, Acting Chief Land Use Officer, Ministry of Agriculture, Lands and Forestry, and I'm also the project focal point for the Climate Resilient Agriculture for Integrated Landscape Management Project, otherwise called the CRA project. So this afternoon we have gone on some site visits to some of the ongoing construction works taking place on mainland Grenada under the CRA project. First of all, we went to visit Mr. Marcus Andal farm, followed by Mr. Roland Prince farm, where we're constructing waste management systems for those pig farms. This intervention is aimed at correcting that. So we're constructing septic tank and soakaway systems for 3 farms in St. Andrew, 2 in Spring Garden, and that's Mr. Marcus Andal farm and on Mr. Roland Prince farm, and we have a farm in Beauregard, Mr. George Fletcher's farm, where works will commence soon.
We found that exercise to be very useful because it is environmentally friendly, and instead of having the waste just in open air, the waste will now be channeled into a septic tank where it will be treated, and of course it will be sucked away into the soil. So these are very good projects that we are undertaking here in the Ministry of Agriculture, all get towards increasing our domestic production of agricultural produce.